That rain will fall too. Kenapa kamu masih boy? Eh? Is that son now? Is that son now?
The person who make better. Physical machine bar but what?
St. Mary's. Yeah, in shoot, yeah. No shot. Son, no eat them and you know they want him pretty same way.
You see a nice speckle.
St. Mary's banana chips. It's something as you see, man. You see the upon the side of the youth. Upon the side of the see you there. See, it's something as you see, man. You see, you know? So I don't know if they're Anotto be now.
Can't find food a little bit more of the road. Oh.
Welcome to Anotto Bay.
A church function that. Yeah, that's what we're doing.
They're on the seaside, people. What's up, guys? We're there back on it for there, see me? That video, I just like a vlog, it's me vlog style. I'm there on the road and decide to say, oh, man, I go shoot a video, see you, man, show the people in the live overseas, the beautiful Jamaica and all over Jamaica, see them, you can see them beautiful country, see me? Yeah, vlog style. So we're there at Port Antonio. Almost there Portland, you know, on the seaside. As you know, see me? Want to leave a like on this video, want to leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about this video. And see me? Want to share the video. I think I didn't really call sea grapes, so who the channel know them here can correct me if I'm wrong. But them here green though. I'm not ripe one. Because if they're ripe, I would definitely try it. See the enough tree there. See, but enough on the tree, but then green. Okay, I'm finally find some ripe one. Yeah? Then I'll drop. I'm gonna try it, you know? I see I'm gonna try it. Pick the one here. I'm gonna try it, man. See? Yo! Dahil nyati kasi. They're nice, man. They're nice up. Then kind of start to do. Maybe because it's on the seaside. See all more here. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah, I find a stone a while ago. If it's smooth and nice. So a nice pretty looking stone a while ago. Get it for you. Nice man. Let's see, shell. I swear guys, if I search, you find some nice looking stone. Because I found a stone is nice. The search you find now. Look at a stone here.
Sun nice, sun green inside, and no matter you boil it, it's green.
Oh.
No matter how you boil it, it's green. No? A real Irish mustard. Everything nice. Remember the protein?
I'm saying I take out my stone. I'm do stone.
Stone. They're rare.
Guys, I'm finding one nice stone. So on seashell right now guys, up on the beach side and the amount of content I float you made right now for the right here so. You see me? Cause you can camp in here so more thing you can do right here so. So next shell here. Nice. Find the stone here right here. That stone here. It's nice. I have to keep this. Even like the shell, I have to keep this, I swear. It's nice man. Enough unusual stone up on the seaside it, man. I definitely love this. See how one more. Love this man. So next night one again.
One is fine.
Akim on the seashell?
Yeah, Akim on it.
Take up you know? You want that nice stone me I say, me did no fish too, but I have to carry them two here. This and the one here, them two here, yeah. I carry them. Now I left none. Come below and tell me, oh, no them here. See, one leap on the seaside. So we decided to keep them two stone only. Alright guys, so I say come below and tell me who know them here. I don't remember the name right now, so if I ask somebody, right? But you can leave it in the comments and tell me. Right now guys, as I was saying earlier, being on this beach side right now at the seaside, the more the contents will come to me. But as I go man, when you're a content creator, you always think about content and everywhere you go, you always think about what kind of content you can do at the location where you're at. Right, you know you can do fishing because I'm one riverside here so. I'm going to show them, I'm spin the camera and show them where I go now. It look deep though. Bad. Say silent, it say you know move still. You ever hear what they say, the society run deep? Yeah man, it look deep man. And right here where the salt water and river water meet. And as you know, salt water and fresh water can make salt water heavier than fresh water. Right, so all who never know that know now. So it come like an invisible barrier between the two water, the salt water and the sea water. No, the salt water and the fresh water, from the sea water. You know, where leak, if you look right there, so if it's a go down, like, you can't see like you go down and tell so no, it's a go down like a well deep. So one next nice stone I find again. So see one next brown one right here, so I take that one thing, you know. I'm gonna stone me sit right in. What I love. Look at that. The amount of stone I have in my hand. There. I'm showing them. I find this. So this. Oh, mosquito bite me. Oh, that. I'm gonna just look up and down, but I'm not carry it though. Some more here. Amount of stone I find. I love them, I didn't know what you say. But maybe by end of the day, I select out which I really love and leave back the one I make to love today. Today. Nice stone there, man. Enough pretty stone. See. How are it? Stop me here.
Oh, I don't know now one fruit, but that enough for me and you eat, but you can eat and safe with roasty. We take out the inside that I like coconut, and we have to put in some water and soak it till tomorrow. And tomorrow, inside white, you know, but it will turn blue. And the poison come out of it. But this is poison, you know. But me use it if put in a fish pot. Me roast it and put in a fish pot and the fish then love it.
Oh. Nice planting field, you know. The nice planting there. See? Planting tree them pretty good guys. Nice planting work, you know. But none of it yet. See there? Tree them really pretty. I have June plum, but I'm not leaf on the tree yet. What make you want to? Just pick one for you.
Come on now.
See? Nice June plum. The green one over them. But sour. At the skin, sour do you know? How is sour? What's up guys? If you like this, that means to make it to the end of the video. Thanks for making it this far. If you like the video, leave a like on the video, leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about this video. I'm going to share the video. Help the channel grow. Help people. Tell people about me. You see me? I'm going to subscribe if you're new. For the IG, Jim876 and Anotto Adventures. The link for the page them in the description. So just scroll along, click it, and give me a follow. Subscribe for new guys. Please help me grow. Me stress it. Share the video and help me grow. Me have enough more video one can watch. So if you're new, just go on the page and watch my video them. Me have enough video and enough video forward man. So just subscribe and stay tuned. Yeah, and I'm going to show you this to them now. I take home. Because there's so much stone. I don't even know what to choose. And then again, I never have any bag to really put them in. Right? I just bring them around and unpack it. So you see them here. So this one me now and catch you in the next video. Alright guys, so after this stone them. I take home. I really like the one here though. The one here. Yeah. Really love them. I think I find a new love. I swear. Love these stones and anytime I go again, I have to look some more stone.